Hi everyone, since today we will learn how to add a model to Ollama. As you can see, I already opened the Ollama's user interface. Now there are two ways to add a model. The first way is clicking here, and here you will find a couple of models that you can download and use. And you simply need to click on this icon to download the model. But as you can see, the options are very limited here. I need to pick a different model. So I'll go to Ollama's website first. On the home page, simply click on models. And you can pick any model of your choice, but I'll go with the smallest possible, that is SMOL. Click here, scroll a bit. I'll go with the smallest possible size. Simply click here to copy. Now to download this model, we have to open the command prompt. So simply press Window key plus R key on your keyboard. Now type here CMD, hit the enter key. You can minimize the browser. Now type here Ollama space run space the model name. Simply paste what we copied and hit the enter key. So you can see now the model is getting downloaded. So once the download is done, simply press Ctrl key plus D key. Close the command prompt. Now you need to click here, search for the model that we downloaded, that is SMOL. It will show up. Simply click on it. Type your message. Let's type hi and send it. So you can see it is working. So I hope you understood how to add a model to Ollama. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.